Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can click on apps and you can search about you can search about the application of PowerPoint here, and you can click on PowerPoint. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.